हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आर्ट विद जोशी और मैं हूँ शिखा। आज एक और बहुत ही क्विक और सिंपल सा ओरिगेमी वीडियो बनाते हैं। तो लेट्स मेक एन ओरिगेमी फिश। बहुत इजी है। जस्ट यू नीड एन ओरिगेमी शीट, एन A4 साइज शीट, अगर आपके पास कोई कलर्स हो, ऑयल पेस्टल्स, ब्रश पेन्स, एनीथिंग, एंड अ ब्लैक मार्कर, जस्ट दैट। बहुत सिंपल वीडियो है। क्यूट सी अपनी ये ओरिगेमी फिश बनाते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम यूज़ करेंगे अपनी ओरिगेमी शीट। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज, ये शीट को हम डायगनली रखेंगे एंड वी विल फोल्ड इट। Done. That's the first step. We will open it and fold it from the opposite side. That's the second step. Very simple, and creases are important. That's very important to make the crease. Right? Now we have this and we have this. The next step is we will just make a plus sign also. We have one line here and one line here. Fold this and open this. I am repeating this step. What we'll do is, we have this, we will just fold this and we have to open this. That's the first step. Now turn it around and take this part, get it in the center, and again open it. We already have the crease, so we will get something like this. We will get something like this. Now it's very simple. What we'll do is, we'll take both the things and we will fold first the first side and then the second side. What I have done is, I have just folded the first side, made a crease. I will fold the second side and make a crease. That's it. It's that simple, and it will become a fish. Now what we will do is, I will make the eye of the fish. Again, if you have a googly eye, you can always put that. थोड़ा सा एक और सर्कल देंगे. Just fill the color in the eye. For her lips. And if you want, we can give the pattern. Cute little fish is ready. But what we will do is, we have this sheet. On this sheet, we will make some grass. In the water, some stones. Okay, so we will rub this extra part, whatever we have created, just rub this extra part. You can color it with oil pastels. I am doing it simple with brush pens, just like that. paste our fish, okay, like this. Just apply some Fevicol, paste your fish, and with the help of water, we'll create some water around. Okay, let's apply some Fevicol. And it's done. And I am making some bubbles coming out from her mouth. And a simple fish is ready. Do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Take care.